To inset in Maya, you select the faces, hold Shift, right click, and you say extrude, and then you scale, because Maya has no inset. To inset in Max, select some faces, and then just press Inset and drag on your selection, or press the little button, and then select the type of inset you want. Adjust the amount, and press OK. To inset in Blender, you just choose your faces, press I for inset. It's really fun because you can also outset in Blender. If I choose these faces and say I for inset and then press O, now I outset, and it actually offsets the faces outside my inset. So it pushes them out as insetting the face I selected. But it's not a good example here, so I'll select these again, press inset and press O, and now I outset, like offset the loop. To actually offset a loop, I choose the loop and press Ctrl Shift R. And I also have the option to press E for it to be even. And if I press F, I flip the even, using this edge as reference. If I want to inset something like a face next to a hole, like this, then I can select these faces, press I, and now it's going outset because it was on before. And if I press B for boundary, it will use this hole as the boundary for my inset, and it won't create an inset for the full faces like this. So this is a really useful feature of it as well. While I'm in here, if I hold down Control, I can also indent the faces like I do in Max with the bevel feature. Click to confirm.